The growing demand for mechanical keyboards reflects the value consumers place on customization, comfort, and performance. And the same principles apply to folding wheelchairs. Whether for travel, everyday mobility, or temporary recovery, users want something lightweight. List 1. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults. This Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair is perfect for users who prioritize travel friendliness and ease of storage. Weighing just 15 pounds without footrests, it's among the lightest in its class. The aluminum frame is strong yet portable. List 2. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults. Second mention. Although this is a duplicate listing, the Medline Ultra Lightweight model deserves a second nod for its highly rated maneuverability and folding design. The large 12-inch rear wheels make it easier to roll over uneven surfaces, offering more flexibility than standard transport chairs. List 3. Drive Medical SSP11FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair with Full Arms. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 offers durability and comfort at an affordable price. Built with a carbon steel frame and chrome plating, it's resistant to cracks and rust. The padded armrests and calf straps improve user comfort, while the foldable design ensures easy storage. List 4. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair with handbrakes and 12-inch wheels. This Medline foldable transport wheelchair is built for outdoor stability with its 12-inch rear wheels and hand-operated brakes, ideal for slopes or uneven terrain. The nylon upholstery is breathable and easy to clean, while the fold-down backrest makes it even more compact for car storage. List 5. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair with swing-away footrests and flip-back arms. The Drive Medical Blue Streak stands out with its flip-back, desk-length arms that make side transfers and dining easier. The swing-away footrests are removable, and the solid rubber tires on composite wheels make for a smooth ride, while a bit heavier than transport chairs.